this drive. It's so beautiful.
It is, honey.
Here today.
It is.
Then you got the cumulus clouds in the background. It's just a perfect scene.
Perfect, isn't it?
Then you got a bunch of rain. I don't know where that is heading. Where that's hitting right now. Distance rain.
The north looks good though now. I don't see anything left, Ethan. It did its dirty deed.
Yeah. That's stunning, isn't it? Look at it.
What is it?
The cloud
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
thing. That's gorgeous. I love that.
Me too.
Seems like over near Red Deer they're getting some rain.
Yeah. Yeah, it's hard to say. We're kind of out of it coming this way at least. There's some more, see? Some of them slid down, some of them jumped down. So cute.
Isn't that funny how a small cloud like that can bring down big raindrops? I find it fascinating.
See, that's not even, it's not enough to keep that from being dry, and it's too much to leave it off, that stupid thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's no happy medium. Garage for sale. Does that really say a garage for sale? It's not a, or maybe it's a garage sale. I thought it said a garage for sale.
I don't think we're that far than you think.
I don't know, brother. I've never done this.
How beautiful and green it is now. That's what we drove out of back there. See all the clouds?
That there started over downtown, eh?
Strathmore.
Oh, but it was raining
Yeah.
downtown or Airdrie or past downtown.
That's what I mean. That's the cell I was tracking.
I think that started either just between downtown and Airdrie, and then came this way, because remember the rain was downtown?
It actually started in Calgary, but then it worked its way up and just strengthened and looped around and hit everywhere.
Right?
Then another cell came together and create one big one over Strathmore, and then where we were, it just hammered us. Look at this. More beautiful Alberta. More severe thunderstorms. We drove out of hill curtains and everything.
Rays coming down.
I always capture sun showers because they're rare.